How to delete purchase history on Shopee. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can delete your purchase history on your Shopee account. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. You can go ahead and open up your Shopee application in order to do so, but in my case, I'll be using Google Chrome for that. Get logged into your Shopee account through a web browser and then tap onto your initial. Here, tap on Settings on your top right, then tap on Help Center. At this page, scroll below and tap on Chat at the second last option. Now here, tap on Chat with Live Agent, and once you get into a chat with your live agent, just mention why you would like to delete your purchase history. Make sure that your reason is genuine, and that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.